せいさん, we use this when talking about factories or farming and how much is made. It also appears a lot in business news and statistics. せいさん、工場や農業の話でどれくらい作るかを言うときに使います。ニュースやビジネスの数字でもよく出ます。It is a noun and a する verb. せいさん literally talks about making things at scale, like production, output, or yield, often with a focus on amount or efficiency. 工場や畑で物や作物をたくさん作って生み出すこと。数量や効率について説明するときによく使います。The first kanji means life and birth, and also the idea of growing. You see it in seikatsu, which is daily life. It also appears in umareru, meaning to be born. So it brings a feeling of life starting and continuing. The second kanji means to give birth and things that are produced. You see it in sangyo, the world of industry. It also appears in shutsang, the act of giving birth. So it adds a sense of producing or bringing forth. This factory produces cars. この工場は自動車を生産します。この工場は自動車を生産します。Japan produces a lot of rice. 日本では米の生産が多いです。日本では米の生産が多いです。The company will expand production next month. 会社は来月生産を拡大します。会社は来月生産を拡大します。The typhoon caused a decrease in vegetable production. 台風で野菜の生産が少なくなりました。台風で野菜の生産が少なくなりました。The most common synonyms of the word are 製造 and 産出。製造 focuses on factory making of products. 産出 often refers to natural resources or regional output. 生産 is broader and covers goods and crops as overall production. The most common antonym of the word is 消費, which is using up or spending goods, not making them.